I am Anil Kumar sharing with you a test question on trigonometric functions. We're looking to vertical asymptotes in this example. Question number 4. If x equals to a and x equals to b are the vertical asymptotes of the graph of y equals to 2 cot 3x plus pi by 3, where x is between minus pi by 3 and plus pi by 3, then a plus b is equal to what? I'd like you to pause the video, copy the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now we are looking into vertical asymptotes, right? So that means denominator is 0. Cot can be written as cos over sine. So we could write this as 2 cos of whatever, which is this function, 3x plus pi by 3 over sine of 3x plus pi by 3. Perfect. Now, vertical asymptote is possible only when sine of, let me factor out this term, so we get 3, and we could write this as x plus pi by 9, is that okay? Is equal to 0. That is when you are going to get a vertical asymptote. Perfect. Now, I'll solve this using graph. So let's try to sketch the sine function. Sine wave, you know, is kind of a wave like this, right? So let's just wave. Okay, so let's say this is sine wave. Now, since we have kind of a similar domain, left and right, so let us say that we consider the function from here. So that is y-axis for us, this is x-axis for us. Now when we are saying that the function is sine 3x plus pi by 4, that really means that the time period is how much? So from here we know k equals to 3, and therefore t equals to 2 pi by 3. Is it okay? So one wave up to here is 2 pi by 3. And so on this side this is minus 2 pi by 3. Is it okay? That is one wave. But since it is plus pi by 9, we have to shift pi by 9 to the left. Right? So let's see what is that. We'll try to sketch the final function. So this is pi by 3, right? So that is pi by 3. This is minus pi by 3. So that is the domain in which we have to work. However, the function before us is sine of 3 times x plus pi by 9. So we have to shift horizontally. So we have to translate horizontally pi by 9 left. Is that okay? So that means 1/3 of this, correct? So that much is pi by 9. 1/3, right? So we have to move all these points 1/3 unit to get our function. So as you do that, the 0 shifts to this position, correct? That position. And the 0 at 0 comes to this point. So the wave which we are looking into, the sine wave, is now kind of like this. Is it okay? So finally, within the given domain, we have two zeros. One 0 here is at minus pi by 9, and the 0 here is, this is 1 pi by 9, this is 2 pi by 9. Is it okay? 2 pi by 9. So these are the two zeros. Now the question is, if x equals to a and x equals to b are the vertical asymptotes. So when denominator is 0, we have vertical asymptote. So we know x is equals to minus pi by 9, and a is equals to, which is a, and b is equals to this 0, which is 2 pi by 9. What is this sum? Let's add a and b, right? It is minus pi by 9 plus 2 pi by 9, correct? Clearly it is equals to pi by 9. So option A is the correct option. you get it. It's a very important solution. You could do using many methods, but probably this is the shortest method. I'd like you to go through this once again, since this question could be in your test paper, right? Feel free to write your comments and share your views. And if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.